Vice President Constantino Chiwenga and his supporters are reportedly facing threats and intimidation amid the deepening factional battles within the ruling ZANU-PF party. Sanapenda mashikobranyi kwachinzi BP Chiwenga under siege. Turbo subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tibida mnamubranyi kwa mchinzi. The claims were publicly raised by Isaac Makomichi, who alleged that individuals perceived to be backing Chiwenga, particularly those openly discussing leadership succession, are being targeted with threats, abuse, and harassment in private messaging groups and online platforms. In a post on X, formerly Twitter, Makomichi said the intimidation began after messages circulated in groups sympathetic to Chiwenga, adding that contributors were subsequently threatened, insulted, or warned to stop commenting on the vice president's dignity and political standing. He appealed to the security sector to intervene, warning that such conduct risked further inflaming internal divisions. The reported threats are unfolding against the backdrop of long-running ZANU-PF infighting, largely split between factions allied to President Emmerson Mnangagwa and those seen as closer to Chiwenga. Tensions have intensified in recent years over succession and the so-called 23rd agenda championed by Mnangagwa allies, which seeks to keep him in power beyond the end of his current constitutional term. Chiwenga, a former military commander who played a central role in the 2017 coup that ended Robert Mugabe's rule, has repeatedly been linked by supporters and critics alike to succession debates. While he has publicly pledged loyalty to Mnangagwa, his backers argue that leadership renewal should follow constitutional timelines, a position that has angered proponents of the 2030 project. Factionalism has historically plagued ZANU-PF, often spilling into public spats, purges, and security interventions. Analysts say the latest allegations of threats and intimidation reflect rising intolerance within the party as succession anxieties grow and economic pressures deepen. There has been no official response from ZANU-PF leadership or the police regarding the alleged threats. However, observers warn that failure to address internal intimidation could escalate tensions within the party and spill into broader political instability. Doma developments are from Zimbabwe. Pina comment section menus of Mura Imurudi Pamsoro Vichit Page. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.